All right, find your Beyond the Whiteboard app. This is, as soon as you open it up, this is your user interface. This is the main screen. Usually it's going to look like this. So pick the right day. If you want to look, today's the 20th. If I want to go to tomorrow, you go to the 21st. But for this sake, we're going to stick on the 20th. It's today. You have a knife and fork. It says good, bad, and then a heart inside of a head that says good, bad. What those means is, did you eat good, bad today? In this case, I ate good today, so we're going to click good. How'd you feel today? Good, bad. In this case, today, I actually felt pretty good, my body overall, mental and physical. If you want to look at the WODs, you open it up. There'll be two sometimes, like if I show you on Wednesday, there's boot camp and regular. But we're going to keep it on Tuesday. Open it up. You got notes, any of the notes on the top. We'll have some announcements there. Then you got your warm-up. Cool little things. You got these little GIFs that show you the warm-up. Then you got we had our hang complex here. I want to input something. You're going to press these three dots. We're going to log in. If you got it exactly as written, which in this case, there was really no weight. So exactly as written. And I started with 75. Then I went to 95. Then I went to 115. I did 115 twice, and then I went up to 125. You want to put any notes, you can put notes down here. Not next step, you can do an image, video, and so on and so forth. Save it, and that'll save as your snatch. Then you go back. Let's say now you want to log in your results for Bad Annie. If you want to see a video on Bad Annie, you can press play and watch CrossFit Mayhem explain the workout. That would be that. You press play, and it goes into the YouTube video there. For this case, we'll go back. Press the three dots after you're done with Annie. Log. If you did it exactly as written, if you did double under, if not, you're going to put change weight and some movements. Press that one. In this case, I did it exactly as written, and my score was 955. Go next. And again, you can add a video, you can add an image, save. And that's it. That's how you log in. The workouts, you can view videos. I'm going to keep it basic on this one, and we'll go a little more in depth with different videos, maybe each week or every couple weeks. All right.